Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of what's cooking at Carroll Lutheran Village. My name is Mason and today I'll be making barbecue pork stuffed baked potatoes. Alright, so first thing we're going to start off with is making a spice rub for our pork butts. And this consists of brown sugar, a little bit of Montreal chicken seasoning, Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper, dark chili powder, ground coriander, cayenne pepper. It's not spicy though, don't worry, there's enough brown sugar in here. And then we got basil, dry mustard, oregano, parsley, onion powder, and dried thyme. And we're gonna take this and rub it all over our pork. So now we have our pork butt here and our spice rub, and we're just gonna take it, and I've taken a little bit of oil and put it over the pork and just rub this spice rub all into the pork, all over it on all sides. Just really get into all the nooks and crannies. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pork and we're gonna let it sit overnight up to 48 hours, at least 3 hours. And we're just gonna let it marinate, get all the spices in there. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for 12 hours at 225 degrees in a pan with a little bit of water just so it doesn't dry out. So our pork has cooked and I've shredded it up a little bit here. Super nice, super tender. All right, and we have our baked potato cut in half, and we're just gonna stuff this potato with a little bit of pork. And then we're gonna take some cheddar cheese, put it over the top. Alrighty. This will be available in the Bistro and Cafe on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you for watching.